Frederick Hunter. Lupolo Elias. Nkuletedde Moses. Wanda. Kasuba Tobias. Kasuba. L-H-A. Try to pronounce it the way. Kasuba Tobias. Kasuba. Richard Dilibubuka.
That is true, my Lord. That's a great true, my Lord.
My Lord, we have George Bigira, Senior State Attorney, prosecution team this morning, my Lord.
Now, as we continue with cross-examination of the commandant of prison,
Yes, my Lord.
by counsel of William James last time, I wanted to propose as we proceed that last time we agreed that.
So there are three applicants and three affidavits in rejoinder. Which particular one?
The one of 31st March.
In respect of
Which one do you have?
I told you there are three affidavits in rejoinder.
The third response to the third respondent. Third respondent is affidavit in different. The affidavit in different. The question is relating to the threats by one Frank.
My Lord, I have given
My copy. There are a number of questions which are going to follow from
I
that.
have given my copy.
Yes, my
In that paragraph
7.
7, in rejoinder to paragraphs 9 and 10 of the third respondent's affidavit in reply, Frank Heere is an accomplice to the respondents and he has expressed real and imminent threats to the prosecution witnesses.
And the same affidavit has expressed real. Is it eminent or imminent? Which one?
Imminent.
Yes?
Imminent.
Eminent.
Imminent.
But I see E there.
Take it as a typo.
So you wish to correct it as well?
Imminent.
Would
I've
you-
corrected this.
Do you know the procedure of correcting with the affidavits? Do you know the procedure?
Yes, I know with leave of
You're a
court.
lawyer.
With leave of court.
Yeah, you saw to leave?
My Lord, with leave of court, we seek.
No, please. We wanted to understand whether you say eminent threats.
It is imminent.
That you will have to correct it. But that's not the issue for me. So you are saying
Actually, the catchword is threats.
you mean eminent is superfluous?
The catchword is threats.
Are you suggesting the word you attached there, you put there is superfluous?
The catchword is threats.
So this eminent means nothing.
Not really.
Anyway, whether I or E, how imminent are they? How imminent are those threats?
They are actual threats.
They are actual threats.
Yes.
Threats to in which form? In which form are they?
Electronic.
Yes?
Electronic.
In which form electronic.
Yes. My Lord, this is a question that I already answered several times.
So you have records of those threats in electronic form.
Yes.
In your possession?
No, not here. But we have them.
You have them.
Yes.
My Lord, we wish to have a look at those records of the threats which are in electronic form. Who recorded them?
You see, you want to push me into disclosing information that was supposed to be concealed.
Who captured those records of
The
the threats?
threats were sent to the witnesses.
No, I am saying who recorded them?
I don't understand what you're asking.
Okay. Who downloaded those threats?
Like, what do you mean who downloaded?
So how are they stored? How are those records stored?
On the, we have a report, I've told you.
So in which form are they stored? Are they
For us, we are dealing with papers.
or they are not in soft form?
No, it is a report. We're dealing with a report.
Okay, fine. This is what I'm asking. If you say they were downloaded, transcribed, who did that?
From a forensic lab, the forensic expert did it.
Do you mind? Do you have the particulars?
I can't disclose, my lord.
Why?
You see, my lord, my senior is either doing it deliberately or he does not want to understand the nature of the application. That is information that we are seeking to conceal for now.
No. You are seeking to conceal 6 witnesses. The particulars of 6 witnesses, that is the nature of the application.
How sure you is one of them? He could be one of them.
Can you confirm that is one of them?
My lord, I don't want to commit myself right now because
Is he one of them? Or is he
my
or
lord,
she
I
one
pray
of them?
my lord, I'm being pushed to the wall to reveal information. I can't reveal.
Yes, and I report that.
My lord, they can't some much obliged. I cannot reveal, sir.
You cannot reveal the particulars of the person who transcribed those records.
I
But,
can't.
yes, but now the question is, can you at least reveal the form of the exhibits you are talking about? Can you reveal whether he is one of them or not? He or she is one of the witnesses you are seeking to protect or not?
My lord, I pray not to reveal that information.
So you are not revealing that as well.
No.
So beyond the 6 statements the 5 statements you gave us, are there other witnesses you are seeking to protect under
My
this
lord,
application?
As and when the circumstances.
Under this application,
Sorry?
under this application, are there other witnesses under this application, save for those whose statements you supplied to us?
But my lord, why should we be so hypothetical, speculative? Why don't we concentrate on matters that are here?
6 for now.
simple question. Frank Chihehe, this is paragraph 7, is an accomplice to the respondents, and he has exposed real and imminent threats to the prosecution witnesses. Do you stand by that affirmation?
Yes.
So he has issued threats to all the 6 witnesses.
Yes.
Yes? I take you now to paragraph 9 of your affidavit in support. Paragraph 8. Go to paragraph 8. The affidavit in support. Can you read it out?
To harm one of the witnesses in this matter.
One of the witnesses in this matter. Do you still stand by your earlier statement that he threatened all the witnesses, or you wish to change?
My Lord, within the threats to the witness, there were threats to other witnesses. That is what I made.
So what do you, one of the witnesses or all the witnesses?
He sent the threats to one witness, but threatening to harm the 6 witnesses. That is the rationale of identifying the 6 witnesses.
And this time is Chihehe.
He's Chihehere.
And in paragraph 7 is Chihehe.
It is Chihehere, yes. Frank.
Chihehe Frank or Chihehe? Is it Chihehe or Chihehe? Which is which?
But I have both. I have told you. And you're still insisting on that.
Listen, which one is the actual name?
Chihehere, Frank.
And Chihehe?
I told you it's a typo.
Do you know Chihehe? Do you know him? Do you know him?
But my Lord, the witness has said the person is called Chihehe. And he said, yeah. But the question is, you know Chihehe.
You see,
whom he has said is a typo error.
my Lord, we have 2 names here. My Lord, the question relates to the actual name. He's talking about Chihehe, and Chihehe in 2 different affidavits. So which one is correct? And if we insist that
My Lord died. Chihehere, Frank.
and I am asking the question, how sure are you that it's Chihehe and not Chihehe? How sure are you?
But I've clarified for you, Mr. Lukwa.
How sure are you that it's called Chihehe, not Chihehe?
He's called Chihehere,
How sure are you?
according to the report.
Exactly. Report by who?
The forensic expert.
The forensic expert.
Yes.
Who is that, a forensic expert?
This question has been already put to this witness and he has answered it. He said he is not at liberty to reveal. We're going in circles.
My Lord, there is a reason and the council knows. The council knows. My Lord, they want to take me back to the issue I raised earlier. You came here to testify as an expert, a legal expert. And you know it's mandatory in an affidavit to disclose the source of information. Is it correct? Is it the position of the law that it's mandatory for you to disclose the source of information?
But I have disclosed
Do
it
you
now.
know or not?
I know.
It's mandatory.
Yes.
And you still insist you are going to defy a command of the law that you should disclose the source of information.
My Lord, those are legal issues that we should be sorting in submissions.
You see, you are an expert.
Did I tell you so?
Oh, you are not.
An expert of what?
Of law.
Which law?
So, my Lord, I'm putting this question for the last time. You have confirmed it's a command of the law for you to disclose.
My Lord, that is something that came to my knowledge by virtue of the fact that I perused the file, the police file. It came to my knowledge by virtue of the fact that I perused the file, the police file.
I am not asking you to explain how you came to know. Don't pose your own questions.
And I'm telling you, Mr. Lukwago,
Listen to my question. Please listen to my
I'm
question.
telling you that,
My Lord, I beg.
I am reporting the answers, and I have guided. Say you don't know, you know what is for this.
my Lord, that is information that is within my knowledge.
I have that.
Yes, and my Lord, this is a question that I'm answering now for the 10th time.
Wait for another question.
My Lord, again, I want to insist on this question.
I know.
Yes. You said the particulars of the forensic expert who transcribed these particular threats is on record. And that's where I got the information from. And you are not ready to disclose the particulars of that particular forensic expert.
Yes.
And I've told you, listen, it's a command of the law for you to disclose the source of information. And you are here insisting you're not going to disclose. My question now. Are you insisting in your defiance against the command of the law?
My Lord, that is information that is within my knowledge.
I will leave it at that, my Lord. So, you are talking about these threats by Chihehe or Chihehe, for that matter. And you are talking of Chihehe or Chihehe being an accomplice. From the report you are talking about.
And a party to these proceedings to ensure that our witness is protected.
The witness is protected by.
Absolutely. And also to protect him from questions that are geared towards intimidating him, belittling him, among others.
Capacity and ability to assess the question, answer or not answer.
Let me raise this, my Lord, for the last time. Again, when Counsel Lukwago was cross-examining last time before this matter was adjourned, these are the same questions he put to the witness.
But the counsel state,
Yes, my Lord.
the report to assess. The report, whether they are repetitive or not. Again, let report.
Most obliged, my Lord.
Have the accused persons raised any threat to your witnesses?
Through Chihehere.
Direct.
Through Chihehere.
When was that?
I don't have the report with me.
When did you come to know of those threats yourself?
When the report was availed.
When was that? When did you get the report?
I'm not the one who received the
When
report.
did you get
When
the
I
report yourself?
perused the file
When?
this year.
When?
My Lord, I can't remember exactly when I perused it, but it is this year.
Which month?
I can't recall.
Who gave it to you?
Mr. Lukwago, I'm a prosecutor.
Who gave you the file?
My supervisor.
Oh, the supervisor. My lord, I insist he answers.
My
We
lord.
can't relate on where the police are. And that's why we are here.
I am not saying the place where they are. Are they doing their normal business? I'm not asking for
Do
the
you
place
want to
where they
hunt,
are.
do you want to hunt them down?
My lord, I think it's a
I
common
have
question.
reported as an answer. So we will take notice.
He has refused to answer.
Yes.
Were these threats directed at particular individuals or were general in nature? You're not were they specifically directed to individuals or were general
We
in
shall not,
nature?
my lord, we shall not relent on coming up, my lord, standing up. These questions are repetitive and they are becoming monotonous.
Okay, let me be direct now.
My Lord, if I may be of help, it would appeal to the better equipment and the witness. Perhaps he could take the witness trust himself. We would be only too happy to cross-examine him because he is not letting cross-examination go on. This is not a lay witness. This is a lawyer, a well-trained lawyer. And there's absolutely no reason why the Bumbuka keeps on cutting Council Kwako. We'd be happy to, I particularly would be happy to cross-examine Mr. Bimpuku.
Let me put it differently. Since you are saying it's being repetitive, or you are being repetitive. All your witnesses at risk.
We have another mechanism where the witness testifies from within court, but in some sort of a constructed, I've forgotten the name, some sort of a kiosk where they testify from.
Which one is that?
Like, there's always something, a small kiosk-like structure that is placed in court with a mirror. The witness testifies from that kiosk. We also have voice distortion. Yes. Paragraph 5.
We have done during the past March. Let's put it.
Is it the one that in rejoined at paragraphs 5, 6, and 3 of the respondent's affidavit? Maybe my senior can confirm whether I'm reading from the right document.
Which one? Which one are you reading? I've not seen what you're reading.
That in rejoined at paragraphs 5 and 6, my Lord, I'm praying protection against Mr. Khan. He's interfering. In rejoined to paragraphs 5 and 6 of the third respondent's affidavit in reply, witness protection is a universal principle in criminal justice for both the prosecution and defense. The
again, let me start with your titles. Is it the principal with the LE or with the AL?
My Lord, it is supposed to be principal with the PE. Principal with PLE.
Would you show to amend your affidavit again?
Mr. Alpago, it is.
Answer.
Let's proceed with the way it is.
Would you wish to amend it again?
Let's proceed with the way it is.
I am helping you to correct
I don't
the
want you
mistakes
to
you
help
made.
me.
So it is a principal with the AL?
It doesn't matter. Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. So, it is with the AL. So, you are saying indeed it's a principle, I mean it's the principal law in the criminal justice system that there must be witness protection.
For deserving cases like this one.
Yes?
For deserving cases like this one. And we say that witness protection is a universally accepted and practiced principle in criminal, at least in criminal law and procedure. And it is available for both the defense and prosecution.
And you say you in that same paragraph, in paragraph 2, in paragraph 2 of the same affidavit, you were assigned to prosecute this case. Yes?
Yes.
When?
I can't recall exactly, but
You know the history of this case? Do you know the history of this case?
yes, I know the history.
When were you assigned this role?
I can't recall exactly, but it was last year.
Early, middle, late last year? Is it mid last year, early last year, late last year?
I think it was late last year.
Don't think. Be certain.
I am not certain.
You are not certain. So, you all along you know this is a principle, universal
The universal principle.
practice. You were assigned a duty. When did you file this application? When?
When did you receive it?
When did you file this application?
My Lord, we signed it on the 29th of May 2025.
29th May. Are you sure? This application?
You see, my Lord,
This application?
I'm not the one who filed this application.
If you don't know, you say so.
I don't know because I'm not
I
the
can
one.
help you.
Yes.
We are in May now. It was filed in March. Yes? Now, all along, you, the principal prosecutor, the principal, you was assigned a duty. Look at chief prosecutor. That's the chief prosecutor.
My Lord, I'm not the chief prosecutor of this case, of this case file.
But that's what you are indicating here. When you assign this role, this file, as one of the principal prosecutors in this matter.
Yes.
Up to March this year, your witnesses were safe.
They were not.
And it was not necessary to file an application to have them protected.
My Lord, A witness application is filed as and when the...
It was not necessary, this is what I'm asking. It was not necessary until March to file this application.
Because that is when we were directed to disclose.
And we were safe
They are
until
not,
March.
they are not safe with those threats. They are not safe with their information littered within the public domain.
No, I am asking.
Yes.
They were safe until March.
Even now they are not safe.
But they will be safe after testifying.
Of course, after they have testified,
They will be safe.
other mechanisms will be put in place.
After they have testified. Can't you put those same mechanisms in practice now?
No,
My Lord,
it's not possible.
I beg to end there.
So now can we say,
My Lord, for the record, by entry now. And I will proceed.
people don't protest themselves, they don't after the names.
Much obliged. For the record, by entry now. And my Lord, I'm ready to proceed with prosecuting. Yes, Mr. Chomuheno Joseph.